The other good practices adopted by wise men, what are they? Acquire competence in at least one field. You should be competent in every field, there is no doubt in asking. But at least one field you should be extremely talented. Develop an overall perspective in others' field. You should know everything. If you ask something, you should be able to explain something, you should know perspective you should have. Never adopt shortcuts and soft option to achieve goals. No shortcuts. Shortcuts are dangerous. Or train yourself hard. Communicate effectively with all section. Whatever you communicate, you should be knowing the details and communicate effectively, not grasping the tip of grass. If you say something, it should be extraordinary, willing to learn from anybody. Don't think he is great. He should learn only them. He should not be for no. If an opportunity of learning arises, you should be ready to learn from anyone anytime. Always remain humble. Humble is the only thing. Be polite. Be humble. Humble will take you great lights. The good practice adopted are never seek advice from the following four people. You should never seek advice from the follow. Who are they? You'll see in next video.